So you just created an incredible video with Google Flow, and honestly it looks fantastic. But there's a catch: that little watermark stubbornly sitting in the corner of your footage, mocking you even though you're already paying for a pro subscription. Frustrating, right? Well, here's the thing. You don't have to live with it. I'm going to walk you through a dead simple method that wipes that watermark clean in just a couple of minutes, and it won't cost you a single extra penny. Let's fix it. Once you're on the site, press the download button. You'll be prompted to pick your operating system: Windows, macOS, or Linux. So just go with whatever matches your computer. The file should start pulling down almost instantly. When the download wraps up, run through the installer. It's the standard next finish process, and then fire up Shotcut for the first time. When the app loads, you'll see a full-blown video editing workspace. Now, don't let that intimidate you. Shotcut is a capable editor with a lot under the hood, but for what we're doing today, we only need one specific feature. Everything else you can ignore. Let's set things up. Create a fresh project. You'll be asked to choose where you want your files saved. So pick a folder that makes sense, give the project a name so you can find it later, and hit start. You're now looking at a blank canvas ready to go. Now we need to bring in the video or videos you want to clean up. Click open file and grab the clip that has the watermark on it. And here's a time-saving tip. If you've got multiple clips that all need the same treatment, import them all at once. You can knock them all out in a single session rather than repeating the whole process one by one. I'm pulling in 4 clips right now. Take each clip from your playlist and drag it down onto the timeline below. Just drop them in one after another. They'll snap right into place. Once all your clips are lined up, click on the first one so it's active and we'll start cleaning. Here's where the magic happens. Make sure your first clip is selected, then look for the filters panel and hit the plus icon to add a new filter. In the search bar, type spot remover. Click on it when it pops up and you'll see a rectangle appear on your preview window. That rectangle is your eraser. Grab it, drag it, and position it directly over the watermark. Shotcut will automatically blend that area away, making it disappear into the surrounding footage. Now, just do the exact same thing for every other clip on your timeline. Select the next one, add the spot remover filter, drag the rectangle over the watermark. Done. Move to the next is quick. Once you've done it the first time, you get into a rhythm and knock through them all in seconds. Once every watermark is taken care of, it's time to get your clean video out. Head to the export option and choose to export your video with audio. Pick the folder where you want the final file to land. Give it a name that makes sense. And let it render. That's the whole process. You now have a watermark-free video ready to publish. And that's all there is to it. If this walkthrough made your life a little easier, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Oh, and if you're into quick tech tricks, I've linked another video right here where I show you how to download restricted Telegram content in a single click. Check it out, and I'll catch you in the next video.